is kitchen time. Today we are making Afang soup. We are not using gas, we are not using stove. We are making with firewood in a local way. Trust me, after watching this video, you will be pleased that you come across this page. Do well to subscribe to this page, share this video. You can also save, and also do well to check other videos below. Now this is our Afang, which Igbo people called Okazi. When making Afang soup, just use 50% or 30% of Waterleaf, 60% of the Afang. You are not making Waterleaf soup, what you are making is Afang soup. Now in this particular we are using our goat meat, alright, well seasoned. We add kpomo called cow skin. Trust me, well spiced and seasoned. As I said, we are making it in local way. Don't mind the way we are doing it in a local form. Don't mind the pot. Just focus on learning how to prepare this. Now our meat is ready, like 90% done. We add our stockfish head with our well cut and washed periwinkle. When making this particular recipe, you can choose to use periwinkle removed one or unremoved one. The both is very fine. When it is boiled for like 10 minutes or 5 minutes, add your palm oil. Cook for the next 3 minutes or 4 minutes. When you add palm oil, this dry catfish. You add your dried catfish. Let me know on comment section if you are going to try this. There is plenty accidental bite inside the soup. Then we cook. When we add the dry catfish, we add our crayfish. Crayfish is one thing I can't do without. Anytime I'm cooking, crayfish must be involved. Anything at all. Because that gives me different taste that I don't forget in a hurry. Then we cook for some minutes. Remember, if I cook for 2 minutes or 3 minutes, mind you might not be able to cook at the same minutes time duration because of the pressure of your fire or your whatever. This is our Waterleaf, well cut and washed. We do well to mix very well. Remember, when making Afang soup, be careful of excess water, because Waterleaf himself will provide plenty water, like very big water. Alright, there is other way you can make this Waterleaf. You can squeeze it and press it out, or when cooking your meat, you can wash Waterleaf, put it on top of the meat before putting water, when boiling your meat. Then the Waterleaf will produce its own water, in cooking the meat. After that, don't forget, we have gone in before with our periwinkle unremoved. This is removed. Combine two of them is not bad. Trust me, try this. You're going to thank me later. Everywhere is already sent in. Now do what to mix very well. Once you put your Afang, do what to mix very well. Keep on stirring. As I said, make sure that your Afang is 60-70%. Let Waterleaf be very small, because you're not making Waterleaf soup or vegetable soup. This is Afang soup. This food is mainly for Akwa Ibom or south of Nigerian part. That's where you see more of this food. See this particular soup? This is one of my best soup. The longer Afang soup stays, the sweeter it becomes. I don't know who have witnessed this. I don't know who have noticed this. The longer it stays, the sweeter it becomes. After making Afang soup, it might not be sweet that moment, but just keep it for eat it the next day, or keep it for 2 days. Trust me, you will be pleased that you know what's called Afang soup. Let me know on comment section if you're going to try this. If you find it helpful, please share and comment. Don't forget that Afang soup will need plenty oil. This oil is served as a water. Once your food is ready, you have put everything, put more oil. That is the sweetest. What makes Afang soup? Afang soup. No oil, no Afang soup. Check the video under. Thank you for watching.